Good day, Lone Star Middle School students. This is Mr. Williamson here in the back room in the storage facility that I call an office, or sometimes we call it a studio. It's pretty funny how it's turned in from a little itty bitty room into a studio that I broadcast each morning. What I'd like to talk about today is what's on the screen right now, which is our one note scientific argument. We've spent a couple of days talking about the issues and working out the problem. I think the problem that you see on the screen right now is the one that I would love for, if you're not wanting to do a specific problem that you've come up with, stick with what I've got on the screen. It's going to get you an A if you finish out the bottom half of the form that I've got there. Now, the form I've got here on the screen is rather boring. And I would encourage you to take the time to be able to fill it in or bring over the form that you had in your plate motion scientific argument, copy it and bring that over. Remember, mine was not so fabulous as I lean forward here, but it does have the 6 topics. I've got light blue, dark blue, pink, yellow, teal, and green. And then I have my 5 examples around the topic of evidence. Make sure you've got your hypothesis before you start heading out to try to find evidence. So your claim/hypothesis, basically your answer to this question before you've done extensive research. What I'd like you to do is do a little bit of research. You might have heard stuff on the news and you already know some things about the topic that you're choosing to focus on. With the topics of evidence, you can see here there's going to be 6 topics of evidence, and then there's going to be 5 examples of each. So it's time to start filling it in. It's time to start gathering evidence. And remember, at the very bottom here, on my form, at the very bottom here, we've got sources/references. If you get any information, not quoted information, just ideas, information about the topic itself, or ideas that are supported, you need to copy and paste the link where you got the information from, or find the magazine title that you need to put in there, or the book. It's most likely going to be off of the internet. So copying and pasting all of those links and the URLs into your sources/reference page. So what I would see underneath this sources/reference is probably a bulleted list, and you would start and you would type out all sorts of information there. Hope you guys are being productive. Provides you with the opportunity to become an informed citizen. Make choices that you want to live with in the long run. Have a great day, and let's get this year done.